9/19/21, 7:50 in the morning, and we're going to be headed to Wisconsin. We actually came to Joplin for a little bit. So, yeah. We're getting ready to head out, so stick around. We'll be right with you. Alright, y'all, we made it to our fuel stop. So it was earlier today, and it is now 11:55 p.m. September 19th. A bit ago, you guys saw the time lapse. But getting here, kind of started that time lapse in the middle of that video. We're getting ready to head out. We're in Hamel, Illinois. We're getting ready to go to Wisconsin, 380 miles. We'll be arriving at 6:39, aka 7 o'clock in the morning. Right on time, actually. We also have one of my good friends with us. She's joining us with our videos here. So let's get going, and we'll see you guys in the next few minutes.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we've gone about 200 miles so far. We made it to a road ranger to get some snacks and use the bathroom. We have 173 more miles to go before we get to our destination. We're going to deliver this load. After we do this load, we're going to Ohio, so that's cool. And I don't know where we're going after that. So see you after this next time lapse. See you right back.
PD!
Hey y'all, welcome back. If you just saw our little time lapse there again, we've made it to our stop here in Wisconsin. We are now going to Neha, Wisconsin, 34 miles deadhead. Or Nina, whatever. Nina, Wisconsin.
Ew, there's a bee eating a bug off the windshield right now.
And then we're going to Crest, Ohio on 921-2100. That's 550 miles. And then we'll get back to you once we get to our destination, and we'll see you soon. There we go. Hi.
Hi.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sure about that?
I need a shower.
I do need a shower.
I feel gross.
Well, that'll get taken care of tonight. But how are you liking the trucking thing so far?
It's not bad.
Not bad. You
Bored out of my mind because I'm not really doing nothing.
you want to do this for a living?
I wouldn't mind doing it.
Well,
You know me though. I'm cool with driving 12 straight hours. Like.
Well, you can only drive an 11, but yeah.
I know, but like I can drive my whole shift, no problem.
I've been doing pretty good too. So that's Erin. She's my ride along. She hasn't really been much in any of these videos because she just got on.
Hi.
And she's going to be joining us for the last little bit here in this video, and maybe part of the next video. So we're gonna head. We're gonna go ahead and take off. We're just getting everything situated. I had to reset the tablet, and yeah, we're getting ready to go to Ohio, guys. So join us in a few minutes. It's 9:21, 8:47 a.m. Our delivery is in Ohio today, so we're not going to be taking off quite yet due to the fact it doesn't deliver till 9 o'clock tonight.
We feel like being there 4 hours early.
Yeah, we're waiting for traffic to die up a little bit. Change of plans though, the next couple of videos that you're going to see will include our little friend here. She's going to be here.
A lot of videos.
Yeah, a lot of videos the next couple of weeks.
Here for almost a month, people.
Yeah. The next couple of weeks, these videos are going to get more, I guess, entertaining, as you would say. So, yeah. We'll end this video once we get to Ohio. There really won't
we
be...
got the camera just... That would be some entertainment.
Right. Won't be much coming up after this video because we're doing a 34-hour reset in Ohio, which you'll see the time lapse after this clip here. Hopefully. If not, you'll see another rant. Who knows? But most of the time, you'll probably see a time lapse after this clip here. So, but we'll get with you back when we get in Ohio. Once I get delivered, we'll try to get some shots of me back in the trailer, and I can get my little friend over here to record for me. But if you see that after the time lapse, you know I got her to do it. If not, well, I don't know what to tell you because I set up tripods.
I just don't want to get yelled at because I'm in, people's way or...
Well, I mean, obviously you're going to be smart about it not being someone's way, but just get some good angles.
To fit this big thing,
you're making it so hard to edit these videos, woman.
I know.
I can't do that on an iPhone.
You can't?
No, I can't bleep things out. I can just cut out the part where you said the word, and then it'll just look like you skipped the verse.
Well, sorry. I speak fluent sailor. I can't help that.
I understand you speak fluent sailor, but anyways...
And most people don't give a crap.
Yeah,
about
the YouTube
swearing.
algorithm does, though. They don't like swearing for some reason. They're like, you're demonetized. Anyways, yeah, it's weird. But, alright guys, well, we're going to see you guys in a little bit. We're going to take off here in a few minutes. It'll look like a few minutes for you, probably a couple hours for me, but the next clip will be rolling right now. Roll clip. Alright, we've made it to our fuel stop. We're about to get fuel, and then we got about 2 hours or so before we reach our destination. It's looking like we're going to get there about 9:21. We have about 100. Oh wow, we only have 195 miles to go before we reach our destination. So we're at the Love's about to get fuel. It's been raining. One over here has been sleeping, so...
Hey, I wasn't feeling good, so...
It's okay.
I had to take a nap.
Sinus pressure. She's not used to the northern. So we're going to go ahead and get fuel. We'll be with you after this time lapse where we will finish up the video. So, hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If you guys want to see anything in these videos that you want us to do, put them in the comments down below, and maybe we can make it happen. I don't know, something fun like a trendy or something. I don't know. If you want to see a challenge while we're together, maybe in a video or something, maybe like the one chip challenge or something, or that would be pretty good. Okay.
You know how I like spicy food, so
yeah, but
that wouldn't be a challenge for me.
I don't know about that. That one chip challenge is it's pretty bad from what I hear.
Well, yeah, that's not gonna be too fun, but I think I'd be able to deal with it a lot better than you.
I would have to agree.
You don't do spicy.
I don't do spicy at all. I don't know what that guy is looking at. Like, oh my god, there's something in the sky. But yeah.
He's looking for paper towels, I think.
No, he was looking off into the sky.
Oh, I don't know.
I have no idea. Alright guys, we're going to fuel up and we'll see you in a little bit.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
A rope.
Oh, bro.
My head looks so tiny. I have a small head.
I am not saying anything. Because I'm going to be getting there right at 11.
Really?
Yep. 10:59, aka 9:59.
Yeah, so you'll be able to go.
New editing style coming soon, y'all. Yeah, right? The whole video just nothing but censor. And I'm gonna cut from this point to just having a whole censor, like the bars. So the little clip you just saw just now was the bars, because that's kind of funny. These brakes aren't moving.
Okay. Wet brakes.
Yeah, wet brakes. 10. Oof. Okay. Well. Squirrely. They might like our chain. They might like this whole YouTube type thing, so they might want us to do more video clips. I'm just gonna go.
Yeah, might as well put the phone down now before I want to puke.
She gets motion sickness, guys.
If I look at my phone for too long while he's driving,
It's not that I'm a bad driver. It's
I
just,
feel like I gotta bark. It's just the motion.
what?
Ah! Big ass load, bro!
That's a very heavy load. The car. He's just towing a car.
A whole freaking semi
She's towing a little
is
car.
pulling a little Nissan behind him. It's literally like a Honda Accord. What time is it anyway?
It is 7:46, aka 6:46.
We're getting there at 11?
Yes, 11:08 to be exact. But right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the time lapse. The next clip you guys will see will be the time lapse. We'll see you guys in a few minutes.
Bye!
So a few minutes ago, I know the time lapse was very short a few minutes ago, but well, we haven't even got to the time lapse.
This brief time lapse.
The time lapse will actually be after this little bit clip here, and we'll get to that in a minute. But we were just having a brief conversation about how Old MacDonald had a zoo. But if Old MacDonald had a zoo, what do giraffes make?
What would the sound be once you got to the giraffes? That's my thought of the day.
Thought of the day. What sound do giraffes make?
At least with all the other animals, you can think of a sound. You know?
That's interesting. What do giraffes sound like? If you know what giraffes sound like, put it down in the comments. Because we're interested. We want to know.
Yeah, or like send a link to a video or some kind of like audio clip of what giraffes sound like. What sound does giraffes make? Like,
We don't know.
I don't know. They don't neigh. That would be really funny if giraffes neighed. But like, do they even have like vocal cords?
Honestly, I don't even know. Then
If they've got vocal cords, they're freaking enormous.
they have to. I mean, look how long they're in. What is the speed limit on this highway?
Oh, probably 65.
It's telling me 55, and it's 55.
Is it 55?
It's 55. I'm trying to get past these trucks, so just bear with me. It's a bit of a jankiness here. There it is.
It's cold.
It's not cold. No, it's not.
You have exceeded the speed limit. Please slow down.
We're in the fast lane.
You have exceeded the speed limit.
Thank you.
Please slow down.
Woman.
So yeah, if you guys know, or could find a link somewhere to,
And if you can't, make one up.
yeah, Let me know in the comments below what you think.
I want to know what people think a giraffe would sound like.
Yeah.
If they could make a sound. Because I don't think they can.
I would think they'd just be screaming. What if they secretly talk? I mean, that's kind of weird.
That'd be really
What if they could talk and like they're like, oh crap, humans. Okay, they're gone.
Please slow
Stupid
down.
safari adventurers.
Yo, Billy Bob,
It's like,
where are you
Jeff,
at?
shut up.
Jeff, shut up. Shh, 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 shh.
They're coming.
They're coming. They're coming. Blech, I don't even like grass. Why do I even eat it?
No. And then the humans get away and they're just like, Just come over here, Jim. These leaves are really fresh.
Hey, Jeff, have you seen these? I would imagine they would have like some kind of British accent. Oh, good day, Jeff. You want to try these leaves? They got like a monocle.
That would be like, no, because I remember that destroys what I think koalas would sound like if they spoke English.
Koalas would definitely have an English accent.
They
for
would
sure.
definitely have an Australian accent.
Oh yeah, crikey, mate.
Oh, and you know what other animal I don't think makes a sound?
Sloths.
Sloths.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Sloths don't make a sound either. Alright, y'all. Well, this is getting dark, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the time lapse, aka for you guys who haven't seen it yet, the time lapse is now coming after this little segment we just had here. If you guys like this a little bit, this type of video style, let us know. Continue doing it as a test. Yeah.
And don't forget, let us know what giraffes sound like.
Yeah, don't forget to let us know what giraffes sound like.
Because I'm going to be wondering.
Yeah. And
if you don't know or you couldn't find out, make something up.
yeah, make your own sound up. I think
I want to see that.
definitely want to see that. This video might be split up into 2 parts, so you might see half this before the time lapse, and the other half after the time lapse. And if you do see this after the time lapse, hi! Enjoy the convo. Okay, bye. See you. And we are at a Love's. We are about 2 hours away from our destination, but due to traffic, we ran out of hours. But we are shutting down for the night. Gonna get some food, get some sleep.
Early as possible in the morning.
Yep. But catch up with you guys here in a little bit. For us, we're on to bed, but for you guys, it'll be like the next 5 seconds, probably after this clip. Guys in a few minutes. Bye.
Bye.
some confusion going on, so apparently the load's not going to get delivered till 7 o'clock tonight. I just made it to a Love's to park for the night, and we're just going to chill here until they tell us what to do otherwise. Other than that, we'll be back with you here in a few minutes. Alright. Well guys, we're out here in a Columbus yard. The load's supposed to be delivered at 11:30 tonight. My truck's currently getting worked on by the shop people, roadside assistance. The fan won't kick on. There's a lot of problems with my truck right now. So yeah, I've been running hard. Kind of broke it. No, I'm kidding. It's an old truck. These things happen, you know. Very blessed to have people to call that can, you know, somewhat help out with things like this. So I'm kind of excited to see what's going to happen here. The truck might be going into the shop and I might have to get towed. So yeah, if that's the case, we will be going to a hotel tonight. So load will probably get relayed, and I don't know what's going to happen. So I may get a rental car to go home. I don't know, because of the fact that I'm so close to home. We'll have to wait and see. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching this video, that have watched it this far. We have gone a long ways. For you guys, it was a short few minutes. So remember to like and subscribe, comment down below if you want to see us anything, and remember to talk to us about the whole drafts, what drafts sound like. So I want to thank my Patreons. There's 2 of you so far. There could be more, who knows. So thank you guys for helping me out with that, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home.